Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss what find method in MongoDB. So at here, let's write at here command prompt. So going to open at here command prompt, and here first I'm going to connect with Mongo. So MongoDB is connected. So from here you can write any kind of query. So the first at here going to switch on Adam database. So now it's switched on Adam database. Now from here inside Adam database, I'm going to show you the collection or tables. So at here right show tables. So at here there are three tables inside MongoDB, or we can say there are three collection inside MongoDB. So here you can find, so inside Adam there are three collection are there. Now the next at here going to use, so going to use find command. So at here db, and here the first I'm going to apply using collection of employee. So at here write employee, and here going to write find method, and here open and close curly braces and closing by bracket. Now if I press enter, so at here it's displaying all the documents inside employee collection. So at here there is a one open and close curly braces, so it indicates that it's a empty query document. Now here you can write inside empty query document, so you can write things like so here you can do some filter. So at here I'm going to write emp and here id, so emp id, and going to do the filter, so 112. So if I press add here, so it's only showing or document of 112, so emp id 112 and here ename Martin. Or if you want, then here you can print the value on JSON format. So for this we need to use for each method, and at this point write print JSON. So this will display the output on JSON format. So see at here, this is displaying this format, and after applying for each function print JSON, so output it's displaying this format, JSON format. Now the next thing is, so here you can do some or limit to function you can also apply with find. So at here first I'm going to write find and here dot. So if I'm going to use at here limit, and if I press to give it to, so it will display only first two. So see at here ename 112 and here employee id. So first two documents are displaying by using limit function. Now the next thing is, so hereafter you can so at here hereafter I'm going to use employee and here find. So let's use this one. So at here it's displaying employee find. So this all documents inside there. Now hereafter you can do some filter condition at here. So filter condition, like you can use the greater than function. So at here going to write employee id. So employee id is there. So employee id I want to print the value more than 1001. So for this we need to use at here of gt function. So at here write gt and your column, so output must be greater than 1001. So open and close bracket. Now if you press add here, so there I think I did some mistake, employee, okay, and hereafter find and here employee id gt. So add here dollar, okay, I forget to give the dollar. So dollar 1001 here. Now press enter. Okay, one more time going to check db and here employee dot find and here curly braces required, and here after colon dollar or GT, and here 1001, and here give close curly braces. Now press enter. So see at here, this time it's displaying or records more than 1001 values. So 1002 and 1003 values are displaying by using GT command. So inside the find we can use the different different function like GT and others also. So here after the next thing, so this is displaying in normal format, or you can print use at here for each function to print into JSON format. So at here write print and here JSON format. So here after print JSON and close. So here the output it's displaying print JSON. Now the next thing is, so here I did a filter condition. Now let's use at here. If you use at here find, so find it's displaying this all values. Now you can use at here find one. So find one, that means this will display first document that will display. So at here check this is displaying first document, here ID, here EMP ID 112, and here name Martin. So this is the most important use of find method inside MongoDB. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you have any doubt related to this, leave a comment, definitely I will reply. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.